We'll guide you through how to use the Printify Mockup Generator to create stunning product images for your online store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the catalog section at the top of the page. Here you can browse the wide range of products available. Choose the product you want to create a mockup for by clicking on it. This will take you to the product page where you can find all the details you need. Click on Start Designing to open the mockup generator. Now you'll see a design interface where you can upload your artwork. Click on Add your design and select a file from your computer. Make sure the design fits well within the product's printable area. You can resize and reposition your design using the drag handles. Once you're happy with the placement, preview your design on the product using the preview button. This allows you to see how your design will look on the actual product. If everything looks good, click on Save Product to save your mockup. You can also choose to add more variants like different colors or sizes by using the Add Variants option. This will create additional mockups for each variant. Remember, the mockup generator is a powerful tool that helps you visualize your designs on real products, making it easier to market them in your store. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.